guys, welcome to my first Gmod video. Today I want to show you my drift car that I built about a month ago. So I just add some random add-ons here, and it's a lot of add-ons. As you can see, there's a lot of pages down here. Yeah, all Gmod Tower stuff. I really hope there's like another. Simply you need S cars and another type of S car add-ons that add I guess Mini Cooper car and like Abrams, Red Sedan, Train, something like that. I don't know what it is at all. So I'm very sorry about that. And yeah, there is a lot of add-ons. I'm trying to find this for you, YouTube, you, and there. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff. Thought it was this one. The string thing, yeah. Probably that one. I don't know though. There is a lot of pages of this. No, maybe that, maybe even something else. Yeah, you're gonna need S cars. Probably this too. Yeah, this one. HL2 Beta League things. See, you got a mini right there. That's what you want, and S car basics. Okay, let's go. So I got this track here. It's called a Subaka circuit. I'm gonna play on that. This thing's pretty laggy. It's saying right now it's 2 FPS. 0. Okay, well that's 1. Now it's back to 0, and now that's 1. 5. Sorry if there's any weird noises, sounds, or anything like that. And sorry for lack of spikes, because from here is not so great. I'm saying this to all people who's watching this video. It's not so great. So this is gonna be my S car. There's gonna be Eric Sam's S car. Right? This is my mini that I will use. I will use the ones that I have already. And I put it in my duplicator. It's right here. There, that's my car. Damn. Then I will want the tuner. See it? And this is what you want. All these power, blah blah blah. Just gonna scroll down slowly. Here. Yeah, steer force and response pretty slow. But the thing is, oh, this one I would want 10. Stabilization. I'm just gonna change some things here. Like brake force, yeah, you're gonna do 5,000. And see, I always thought that you need to go that way, but no, it's not. It's just. that out. For some reason, sometimes the gear is not how it's supposed to be. Kind of fancy, yeah, whatever. Hydraulics, wheels. You don't want to change the wheels. You don't. It's so crappy. Yeah. That's about it. Let's see. I'm just gonna mess with things a little bit too here. And this is for TDM, a TMC game. This is a pickup truck. Yep, a pickup truck. We can do something about this. We have pickup trucks pretty large. I can do it again. Yeah, it's flying really well this morning. Or these cars. Do you want to say so? Sunday, and I'm so sorry. Everybody seems frustrated Sundays. No, I don't want to see that. Yeah, I did it. No, just kidding. Let's just go back again. Let's see if I can do it one more time. Let's just go. Did it! So, alright, thanks for watching. Yay!